So hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Spectrum, and as you have requested for this video, I'll make it. This video will be explaining all the different pairing modes of my Cosmic Byte Stellaris, which as an update is currently fixed now, and I have played for about 5 hours total since it came back from replacement, and I have not encountered any issues so far. So let's get started. First I'll show you the 2.4 GHz dongle pairing mode. So here's my dongle. First, I'll plug it in here into this USB-C. I mean this USB hub. As you see, it's plugged in, and there's a red light blinking. Now we have to hold the X and the home button together. Then this light would come on, and then when the second light comes stable, that means it's connected. And as you can see on the screen now, if when I move this, it detects it. That means we have successfully paired via the dongle. The Hall effect joysticks are also working fine, and the light here is now stable. As you can see, it's not blinking anymore, which signifies a stable connection. Now let's go ahead and unplug this dongle, which would result to this turning off and coming into that flickering mode again. Now let's pair it with Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, first let's go here and scroll to this Xbox game Bluetooth gamepad, which is its name. Right now it's in pairing mode of a 2.4 GHz, so it won't connect. We have to hold. We just wait for it to turn off first. It turned off. Now let's hold home plus B. Now this light started blinking, not the top one. And now when I click Xbox Bluetooth gamepad, this probably won't connect straight up right now because it's been some time since I connected it last. So let's go ahead to Bluetooth settings. Here we view more devices and Xbox Bluetooth gamepad here. Let's remove this because it won't connect right now. Then we go here, add device, Bluetooth, and we see Xbox Bluetooth gamepad connecting, and this should come stable now. It takes a bit longer compared to compared to the 2.4 GHz mode, and yeah, now it's stable and it shows your device is ready to go. So now we can go back here. It detected an X input controller in gamepad tester. Now just a second. Yep. So moving this works. This works. This is still the second light is stable again because the second light signifies X input mode. Now all the Hall effect and all is working fine and as intended. Now let's try out the wired mode. Just give me a second while I find the wire. Alright, so I'm back with the wire. First let's hold this to turn it off. Holding this button for a few seconds turns this off, and you can see it showing connect your gamepad, which means it's disconnected. Now this is the official wire which came with the controller, so I'm going to use this. I'll plug this back into the USB hub. It's in, and now just a second. Yeah, now this side goes inside the controller. At first it will start charging. Then we have to press the home button, and now it's blinking slowly and the lights are still on, which means it's in wired connection mode. So right now as you can see, it detected X input again and everything's working normally. And now this 2.5mm aux jack will also work. So although I can't test that right now, we can see it if it appears in the audio outputs. It didn't appear in the audio outputs yet. It appears I might have to set it up. But well, yeah, these are the pairing modes. So thanks for watching this short tech guide by Tech Spectrum. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to help it grow further.